Hello everyone, we are discussing again inverse trigonometric functions, exercise 2.1, second chapter. These are last two questions which are objective type questions. First one is sin inverse x is equal to, it is very simple, it is principal value based question. 13th question is sin inverse x is equal to y. Then we have to find out of these four options which one is correct. Minus pi by 2 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to pi by 2 is correct because principal value lies between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 and both are included. So that's why option D is not correct. Option B is correct, and of course these are not correct at all because it is from 0 to pi and 0 to pi. So option B is correct. It is simple one, but this we have to solve. 14th question. The question is tan inverse root 3 minus sec inverse minus 2 is equal to which particular value? That value we have to find. So here I am solving this question. Tan inverse root 3, that is tan inverse tan pi by 3 and this one is minus sec inverse minus sec, it is 60 degree value, pi by 3. But this one is negative ratio, so of course this will be solved, so it is pi by 3. But here if it is having negative sign after inverse function, so that we have to proceed further for the solution. So it will be minus sec inverse. Now one formula you know very well. First of all, let us discuss the principal value of sec inverse. It will be in between 0 to pi, and sec minus theta is not equal to minus sec theta. That's why we will have to write it in the form of 180 minus theta form. So it will be sec pi minus pi by 3. As you know very well that sec 180 minus theta is minus sec theta. So this formula you will have to mention here. Sec pi minus x is equal to minus sec x. So this will be pi by 3 minus pi minus pi by 3. After taking LCM, it will be pi by 3 minus 3 pi minus pi by 3. After taking LCM, it will be 1 and 3 LCM will be 3. So that's why it is 3 pi minus pi by 3. So it is 2 pi by 3. So pi by 3. Pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3. Pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3. That is equal to, both the denominators are same, so we can subtract directly. Pi minus 2 pi, that is minus pi. So the result is minus pi by 3. This is the answer. So which option is correct? See, minus pi by 3 is option B. So option B is correct. So in both the questions, option B is correct. And here only I am concluding my lecture. For next exercise, we will proceed in next video. Subscribe the channel and get more knowledge related to inverse trigonometry.